Hello, my name is Ardui Batara Putra. Anyar Beach is a beach destination located on the west coast of Banten Province, Indonesia. For those of you who live in the capital city, a holiday to Anyar is a quite enjoyable choice of tourist destination. Travel time from Jakarta is approximately 2 hours of traffic conditions are smooth. The view of Anyar Beach is very beautiful with white sand and lots of coconut trees making the view beautiful and soothing to the eyes. Anyar Beach has always been an option. Apart from leisure access, more varied choices of comfortable accommodation and equipped with various facilities, making it suitable for holidays with your beloved family. Have fun. Thank you very much.